Before you begin removing damaged lap siding, be sure you can get the right material to replace it. The width, thickness, and profile of the board should match perfectly. Wood siding should be primed on all four sides before installing to protect it from any type of moisture penetration. Tinting the primer to match the house color will reduce the number of finish coats of paint required later. Now, while the primer dries, begin removing the damaged siding pieces, starting at the bottom of the affected area. Use a pry bar to lift each piece up and pull it away from the wall. When you get to the top of the area, you'll want to release the damaged pieces without affecting the good ones above them, so you'll need to cut the nails behind the bottom of the upper piece of good siding to free the damaged piece. An oscillating tool with a metal cutting blade is ideal for this job, but a simple hacksaw blade will also work. When the nails have been cut, the lower board can be pulled out. The vertical seams and lap siding should never align one over the other, so you may also need to remove portions of the boards that are not damaged. In some cases, this will require making a vertical cut in a piece of siding that's still attached to the wall. Use a speed square to align your circular saw and set the blade depth to match the thickness of the siding. Now you can cut the new siding to fill the voids you've created. Installation starts at the bottom and goes up. To maintain a consistent reveal, create a pair of gauges using scrap wood attached to each other at 90-degree angles. The distance from the edge of the larger piece to the smaller piece should be equal to the amount of siding revealed on each lap. By hooking that smaller piece on the row below the repair, you'll create the proper spacing every time. The new siding is attached with galvanized nails to each stud at the top of the board so that it can be concealed by the next piece. Work your way up the wall with this method. The top piece in the repair area will need to be nailed through the bottom edge of the row above it. Finally, caulk all the seams and edges to prepare the area for finish paint.